gasket on the back side here.
Right, on Mark Andy or TR400 or whatever. All right, first we're gonna take the screw up by hand. We don't wanna use a electric screwdriver on that portion because taking it off is not a problem, but putting it back on, you can strip out those holes, whereas with the hand you won't. Now, to get this faceplate off without damaging the gasket, you can typically just kind of rock it back and forth and it maintains it. Just straighten it out and you can do, you can do the faceplate kit and then just stick it back together and it'll work fine.
Okay.
But in the event you destroy the gasket,
Which it rips and tears easily, yeah.
you can put another gasket on. After this is all assembled, I'll just put the one screw on to hold it. And I don't want you guys doing it, so I shouldn't do it. Okay, so it's all together.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab these old bad pieces here, get rid of that crap.
Okay, there's two ways people in the shop like to do it. Some people like to put it on down like this, peel it off, and then take and set it down. I prefer to actually just take the back off first. I gotta get back on now. I prefer, and I don't do this very often at all, so I mean, I just get it by all four corners. And you can just gently walk it down. When you get down to here, that's when you gotta take and be careful, and then you just slowly bring it to the corners. Put the corner on, next corner, rub, and then
Perfect.
final side. Now they stretch a little bit, so not a big deal. Just push it right
Two
there.
corners first and tuck in the center.
And then just tuck it in like this and there.
Looks good.
Done.
Thank you.
Okay.